The book I want to share with you today is a book that I think is very suitable for reading in winter. In fact, I read it last winter and shared it on Instagram. Today, as the first book in the reading vlog series, I still want to start with it because this is really an interesting book. For the beginning, this is a collection of postcards written and drawn by an artist from Yellowknife, Alison McRish. She managed a trip to the north. As the title here, visiting artist residences in Finland, Russia, Iceland, and Greenland with her 18-month-old baby and her partner. Partner here. She started a postcard project in which she would write and draw a postcard each day during the trip, then sent them to people who had pre-provided addresses. This book is like a graphic travel journal full of curiosity, love, and humor. We won't find any page number in it, only dates on the postcards, which shows exactly its characteristics more than a general book. In the process of reading, what I appreciate most is Alison's humor and capture of the real feelings of life. She told many interesting stories. In her works, the annoying trivia of life seems to have been added with a layer of humorous filter, which makes me laugh many times when I read it. In addition, the areas she passed were very cold, which made me want to carry a cup of hot chocolate and wrap myself in a blanket, which is a natural cozy feeling. I want to read you 2 short clips. Of course, I won't read the most interesting part. Besides, everyone has his own smile and empathy. You'd better find it in the book yourself. First, when traveling, we usually need to make various plans and itineraries, often well planned, but encountered a variety of problems. When they planned to travel from Lapua to Petrozavodsk, I quote, "On December 27, 2018, the rabbit hole of logistics. To pick a hotel, I need to figure out where the train station is. Then I discover there are 5 different train stations. Then I realize we arrive at one but leave from another. Then I read that taxis are a ripoff and the metro is great. Then I try to figure out the metro lines to get a hotel near a metro line. Then I take my head in my hands and groan and shut the computer without having booked anything." This is really realistic. In the second clip, Alison wanted to show how Petrozavodsk people cross the road. So she drew a diagram and wrote how to cross the road in 2 cases. The first is when crossing at lights. I quote, it's right here. Step number A, all the lights turn red at once. Step B, all the cars stop at once. Step C, pedestrians all cross at once, even diagonally. The second is when crossing at pedestrian crossings. Quote, Step A, find a crossing. Step B, step out into traffic. Step C, have faith the cars will stop. There are many such small details in the book. When they are connected together, you will have a complete impression of their journey and understand Alison's humor and mood more and more. I also went to see Alison's Instagram, which often updates small comics. Each one is very interesting and easy to resonate with you. If you are interested, you can also go and have a look. The above is what I want to share with you today. If you have read this book, please share your feelings with me. Or if you have other good book recommendations, please leave a message below and tell me. Don't forget to thumb up and subscribe. Also, I usually do the live stream of Study with me from Monday to Friday. You can also come to the live room and say hi with other friends to learn, read, and make progress together. Thank you. See you next time. First, when traveling, we usually need to make various plans and itineraries. When we plan to travel from Lapua to Petrozavodsk,